Tonight, we're digging into court documents that push for no bail after last week's shooting into our ABC10 news station. Now, a federal criminal defense attorney is weighing in on whether the suspect could be released while waiting for his next court hearings. ABC10's Roxanne Elias joins us in studio with the details. And Roxanne, explain for us what factors will ultimately decide if he's let out of jail.
Well, Laura, there are many factors that a judge will look into before deciding on whether to release a person. Most of the time, it depends on the person's background. But defense attorney Candice Fields says in this case, both federal and state judges won't be able to overlook all the allegations Hernandez Santana is facing. A few days after the arrest of Anibal Hernandez Santana, and evidence on the record is mounting regarding allegations made against him. Federal criminal defense attorney Candice Fields is weighing what factors the judge will have to consider.
The judge is going to have more information to consider regarding the danger to the community.
Hernandez Santana, accused of shooting into the ABC10 news station Friday afternoon, is now being held at Sacramento County Jail without bail. According to federal court documents, Hernandez Santana faces 3 federal charges, including possession and discharge of a firearm within a school zone. Documents reveal that about 2 minutes before firing 3 rounds in front of the ABC10 station, he fired a single shot while standing on the public sidewalk at 2555 3rd Street. Investigators determined that the initial shot was several hundred feet away from both Health Professionals High School and Latata Floyd Elementary School. Fields says the distance could be a significant factor in the case.
I believe it's alleged that this particular person not only was registered on the firearm that was seized, but there are some firearms that are associated with this person who have not been seized. And that makes the risk higher to the community.
Fields says both state and federal judges will consider several factors, including family and community ties, employment, and criminal history. A note found in his car suggesting additional potential targets could raise serious concerns for a judge. Fields says documents from the Superior Court of California are asking that the defendant be kept in custody and held without bail. They say that based on the latest facts of the case, the defendant is considered a clear and present danger to the public.
Because this defendant has no criminal history whatsoever, he's a retired lawyer, he has ties to the community, family ties, he could turn in his passport. He's not a flight risk. In all likelihood, he could be released and show up to court. The issue is danger to the community.
Anibal Hernandez Santana's legal defense team sent us this statement, which says defendants accused of wrongdoing are presumed innocent at all stages in the legal process before trial. Depriving a defendant of their liberty before trial makes the entire legal process longer and more difficult because it creates additional hurdles that defendants and their lawyers must overcome to prepare a robust legal defense that everyone is entitled to. The suspect will be back in court tomorrow. Chris, Laura.
Okay, Roxanne, thank you.